Bio, it means life, living things, right?
Yes.
And mimetics, to mimic. You remember that word mimic?
No.
Here, let's look in RE2, Read the Explorer 2. Let's read here.
Like human, baby swamp sparrows learn to communicate by copying adults. From a young age, they learn to copy or mimic some by their adults. Some sparrows very rarely make mistakes when they learn their songs, said biologist Robert Lackley. In fact, their mimicry is so accurate that the music changes little between generations. It means to copy and to copy something.
Copy, yeah. So biomimetic is to copy.
Copy the some life in the nature.
Yeah, so engineers, they want to copy some.
You want to copy some very amazing things in the nature life.
Yeah, that's it. Good. Yeah, then we should look at the headings.
From natural wonder to use for tool. The bio-inspired robot.
And here we see some things, they can stick to our clothes, right?
Yes. It is a close-up look at the Velcro.
So do you have any Velcro shoes?
Yes, I have.
You have? Oh, okay, you can remember that one. Good. And this animal is a lizard. What's its special ability?
Reader can use them to adhere to most surfaces,
So it can walk up and down the.
up and down the wall or some things.
Yeah, and here we see a swimmer.
There is a new swimsuit designed to increase the speed.
Yeah, so it looks like. Any idea which animal does it look like?
It looks like the fish skin.
Maybe some fish skin. Yeah, good. Okay, let's start over here.